Good morning, folks. Hope you're all well. It's a dark and dreary Wednesday, the 2nd of October. It's 12:35 in the morning. 12:35 in the morning. Yeah, 12:35 in the morning. 12:35 at night, but it's morning. You know what I mean. It's a Brailsford Ploughing match day. I'm getting ready today. Long one. Diesel Deluxe 25. HME Premium Canopy. Looks absolutely awesome on these machines. So HME are a company that's just over at Nottingham. Papelwick, is it? Something like that? But anyway, they do these awesome canopies. Great finish. I'm making that filthy mess on. What are you doing? What else we got? We're going to take a Sportsman 110. So that's going to be here, ready for the Christmas promos. Ranger 570 SP Nordic Pro. So we've kitted this one out. This is what we call beast mode. So it's got the front bumper extender. Comes with a factory winch. It's got, this is the 24 model, I think. It's got these drop links for the front anti-sway bars, which is pretty cool. You've got 12-inch alloy wheels, power steering, LED lights with accent. We've got the 8-vent heater from factory. We've got the adjustable driver's seat as well. Seating for two. This is a 570 petrol with the premium cab with the crank windows. So this is going to be awesome. 200 and, what will it take in the back? 250, I think? No, 226. 226 kilos in the back, and it'll tow about half a ton. So these are awesome little mid-sized machines. What else we got? Razor 200, we're taking this. That's again part of the Christmas promo. We've got a Suzuki 500. We've got a Sportsman 570, and we've got the Kinetic, which is the all-electric Ranger as well. So that's going to be there. So no idea what stand we're on yet. I've not been over, I've not had a chance to come over. Hair's looking well. So I might be able to get a cut some time before it, but we're going to be starting early again. So I'll speak to you in a couple of hours. Have a good evening. See ya. How are you all doing, folks? Wednesday part 2. So we made it in. God, we're rough as a badger. What's all this business? I'm going great. So yeah, here we are, Brailsford Ploughing match. Let's get the whole stand inside. What are you messing around at? Well, this isn't the whole stand. This is most of the stand. We've got some more of the team coming in with it. So we've got the Ranger Diesel Deluxe, premium cab, and the HME canopy. Looks awesome in the field here. We've got the Sportsman 570. We've got Kim, old school Kim. Kim was with us from 2012 to 2017 when she decided to go and have a baby or two. Anyway, she's had the day off, so she said she'd come out and have a wander around. This is our sign. This is our Suzuki. So Suzuki 500 power steering. This one's show special, X demo, 2-year warranty, 400 hours, 7 grand plus VAT. And then this is a Ranger Diesel 2018, which is going to be used by George Spencer, who's one of the committee. But we're just waiting for some fluids for that. So yeah, I'm going to go and have a bacon sandwich now. Weather's holding out. It's contrast. Look at that bad boy. Said it was going to be a little bit sunnier than this, but it's windy, not raining. Now a display. These are our sweets. These are our lanyards. Loop fobs. Warm and dry. We'll catch you in a bit. Here we are. Brailsford Ploughing match in the old Kinetic. So we'd have a little bit of a drive round. Don't press the wrong button. When the button's all covered in tape. That one's the washer one. It's just sprayed me in the face. That's the problem with having the windscreen that tips up. What a day now. Incredible. Pumped it down for the last 2 days. Holy kit. Beautiful. Got some gear ready for towing out, but it's dried up. Everybody's had it out. Didn't you get a lift?
You're so quiet.
Didn't you get a lift?
No.
I thought they were going to give you a lift. Hey up, chaps.
Hi. Can we come? Jake, can we go in?
Which way are you going?
We've got to go up to the car now.
Do you want a lift? Do you want a lift?
Up to the car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hop in.
Let's get in.
All of you up. No, I'll drive.
Hang on.
Let me come over. Let me pull over there.
Let's get on.
Hang on. Oh, and Joe go. Joe go. Wait
On
there.
the back.
Maybe in the cab.
You've got to go in the cab, yeah. It's got to be a bit more safe. And we'll see if you don't.
Right, hop in, chaps.
Jake, you go in the middle.
Yeah.
No, I
No,
know.
you're not allowed to.
I
It's,
can't.
it's,
What a day. Now this is amazing. A couple of squeaks on the bushes. Let's check that out. Car park's done a good job. Ford. Hey up, dude, how are you? Not too bad.
you had a good day?
Very good day, yeah.
Yeah, good.
You had a nice walk round?
Yeah, we have. Yeah,
Good.
Lovely time. Thank you so much. The weather's come good, hasn't it?
It's beautiful now. What rain? I'm going to the stand, yeah.
Hello, Fraser. Yeah, I'm good.
Are you being lazy?
Yes, I am. Very well.
I'm having a cruise around.
Are you having a wander around?
Having a
Or
wander.
you-
Yeah,
There you go.
that's it. Right,
Good.
we'll see you all soon, dude. See you in a bit. Wardmans. Oh, sorry, dude. Thank you. Look at the show. You had a good show, Fraz?
Yeah, it's been very good.
Corvus. RVT. I didn't know they were selling Corvus. That used to be B&B. See what? CF Moto. Thanks, guys. Who's that there? That's. I might go down here actually. Oh, they've had coffee bar. Should have had one of those. Oh, breaded donut, breaded mushrooms. It look like. Nice.